Welcome to Easy English, Lesson 6, School. First, the words. Classroom, classroom. Desk, desk. Backpack, backpack. Teacher, teacher. Student, student. Pencil, pencil. Notebook, notebook. Playground, playground. Chalkboard, chalkboard. Globe, globe. Now, in a sentence. He goes to school in the classroom. Classroom. My homework is on the desk. Desk. She put her lunch in her backpack. Backpack. The teacher asked the class to open their books. Teacher. The child who went to school was a student. Student. He did his homework using a pencil. Pencil. She wrote down her assignment in a notebook. Notebook. During recess, we went to the playground. Playground. He wrote a math problem on the chalkboard. Chalkboard. She found the United States on the globe. Globe. Just the words one more time. Classroom. Classroom. Desk. Desk. Backpack. Backpack. Teacher. Teacher. Student. Student. Pencil. Pencil. Notebook. Notebook. Playground. Playground. Chalkboard. Chalkboard. Globe. Globe. Great job. See you next time.